Today's focus: which Rolex watches to steer clear of in the current market. Firstly, we'll tackle the factors slowing down the market. Observing closely, we've noticed a sluggish movement, particularly in substantial timepieces like the full rose gold Skydwellers, all rose gold Daytonas, and impactful watches such as the Oyster Flex Skydwellers. Some of these carry a hefty retail price, ranging from £35,000 to £45,000. Recent months have shown a shift in watch market trends. There's a clear move away from the preference for full gold bracelets, be it rose gold, yellow gold, or white gold. Even iconic pieces, like the blue dial Daytona, are seeing a change in preference. The trend is now leaning towards watches from the Oyster Flex range, embracing styles like the Ghost. This shift in consumer choice is a notable trend, suggesting the watch market might continue to face a downturn. Let's dive deeper into these market dynamics with a specific example. Take this full rose gold Skydweller and contrast it with the new 2022 rhodium dial 18-karat rose gold Skydweller, a truly stunning piece. Surprisingly, it's being sold below the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Despite its appeal, the market's shift suggests potential challenges for watches of this caliber. Consider that just last year, this watch commanded a minimum of £50,000 to £60,000, with the chocolate dial variant being even pricier. This significant drop in price from last year's market value is a clear indicator of the current market landscape. Now, turning to the Daytona, the situation is equally unexpected. Here's a Daytona with a black dial and a full 18-karat bracelet. In the past, these watches were bought and sold for around £18,000 to £19,000. At one point, their prices soared to approximately £45,000 to £50,000, reaching a staggering £60,000 for the chocolate dial version last year. However, the market has undergone a significant shift, and now we see this watch listed for under £40,000. Whether influenced by media, global events, or evolving personal preferences, there's a noticeable surge in interest in steel sports watches, steel and gold combinations, and Oyster Flex models. These shifts underscore the evolving dynamics within the watch market. Moving on to another prestigious offering from Rolex, the day-date range is also facing a slowdown in the market. Here, we have a white gold day-date. To be honest, the full rose gold day-date is not a strong recommendation in the current market, unless it comes at an exceptionally low price. White gold day-dates, like this one, don't command much more than a panda. While appreciated by enthusiasts for their timeless beauty and class, they're not performing well in today's market. The full rose gold day-date has seen a significant drop in prices compared to its peak last year when it was fetching around £70,000. It's clear that the watch market has undergone a substantial transformation, influencing the models we choose to carry. The current focus is on sports professional watches, Datejust models with specific sought-after dials and combinations, and of course the Oyster Flex range, which boasts some remarkable pieces. These are the watches that are gaining traction among buyers in today's market. The shift in trends is undeniable, and certain watch models are experiencing a market slowdown. For watch enthusiasts and collectors, staying informed about these dynamics is crucial to adapting preferences and investments accordingly. Now, let's explore what continues to decline in the watch market, encompassing both new releases and existing models. One notable example is the full rose gold ruby among the cart models, which despite previous popularity, is currently available for less than its recommended retail price. This suggests that there's still potential for its value to further decline. Shifting focus to new models in the market, it's common for their initial release prices to soar, only to eventually stabilize. This phase can present opportunities for both buyers and sellers. However, it's essential to recognize that there may still be room for these new models to experience a decline in value. Keeping a keen eye on these market nuances is key for those navigating the world of watch investments. Let's delve into a specific example, focusing on the full rose gold Skydweller with a blue dial. Upon its initial market debut, prices soared to around £75,000, well above the recommended retail price of £43,000. While undoubtedly a beautiful watch, its price has significantly decreased, and it's currently available for under £50,000. It's important to note that there may be further adjustments, potentially decreasing even more and eventually settling slightly above its retail prices by year-end. Unless you find exceptional value and the price is just slightly above the blue, we'd advise caution before making a purchase. Careful assessment of market dynamics and price trends is crucial for significant buying decisions. Now, let's shift our focus to another watch model, the GMT range. Here, we have a steel and gold GMT model with a retail price of £113,000. Upon its initial release, prices ranged from £20,000 to £25,000, reaching as high as £27,000 in some cases. However, exercising caution and waiting has proven wise, as this watch has now come back down to just over its retail price. For those seeking a sound investment, this could be a prudent option. Let's now turn our attention to the watches that are garnering significant attention and finding their way into the collections of enthusiasts and collectors. The first standout category is the Submariner range, renowned for being one of the best-selling collections. These watches have gained immense popularity, drawing considerable interest from enthusiasts. For the stainless steel Submariners, the recommended retail prices range from around £8,600 to £7,500 for the non-A version. Another hot category in the market is the steel and gold Submariners, particularly the steel and gold black models. These watches provide substantial value compared to their all-steel counterparts. If you're contemplating a Submariner and appreciate the steel and gold combination, these models are certainly worth considering. Moving on to the Blueberry range, the 18-karat white gold blue bezel Submariner stands out as a great deal. This 41mm solid white gold Submariner, featuring a striking blue bezel, offers a captivating aesthetic. In the current market, prices for this watch have remained consistent, with a recommended retail price of £35,000. For those seeking both style and investment value, this Blueberry Submariner proves to be an enticing choice. The Daytona range stands out as one of the market's best-selling collections, offering an impressive array of options, from the steel versions to the steel and gold models, and even the Oyster Flex variants. Among them, the Oyster Flex model has been particularly sought after. Whether you prefer the classic steel look or the sophistication of steel and gold, the Daytona range provides a diverse selection to cater to your preferences. Moving on to the GMT Master range, which boasts iconic models like the Pepsi, the Batman, and the Sprite, it remains an extremely popular choice among watch enthusiasts. These models have garnered a dedicated following, and it's no surprise that many have chosen to add them to their collections. Notably, the Sprite, a newer addition to the GMT Master collection, has seen a decrease in its market price. Brand new Sprites are now available for sale at prices ranging between £6,000 to £17,500, depending on the bracelet type. For those eyeing a GMT Master with a refreshing twist, the Sprite presents an appealing option with its reduced market value. The GMT Master collection is a compelling choice for those seeking distinctive and sought-after watches. Despite a slight decrease in brand new prices, the iconic Pepsi variant remains challenging to obtain due to its quick sellout nature. Enthusiasts often express enthusiasm for the distinctive and iconic Pepsi. The GMT Master collection caters to those who appreciate diversity in their watches, offering a unique and varied selection. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, let us know with a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow our channel for more content. Thanks for being here with us at Ventichic, and see you in our next video.